Hey guys, once again sobuZ is here, and I feel a bit unlucky and sad because of iPhone XS due to this iPhone X. So let's start this video of unboxing and the dream device which has become now a past. Let's start it. Just right after brought the X, in a week I got the new update on iPhone XS with the lowest price, and it will be around $700. You think how unlucky I am. I don't want to take that much headache in that. So for the XS, in a bit of a twist place, like both phone will be called in the iPhone's XS, even though they have two different sizes screen on 5.8 inch model, and that's another one is 6.5 inches, the largest iPhone screen that the company has never produced. Anyway, I don't want to die for that, and still the device X is far better than all, isn't it? In the X device is again the headphones with the wire, and the charger is again really, this charger is really much stronger than any other thing, because I already used this sort of charger in 3 plug and iPhone 7 and Plus also, but the 2-pin ones I'm a bit in doubt, because that sort of thing is taking lots of powers and getting hot. So this is the for the first time I'm turning on the iPhone X interface, so I'm a bit excited to talk and to review this device. Okay, I'm setting the languages and the country. I have to set definitely from the United Kingdom, because some Apple accounts are making some problem if I'm putting this country. So that's why I'm need to select that USA or United Kingdom. You can use for the first time when you are going to turning on your device on, that time they will definitely ask for the Wi-Fi or an internet connection to start properly your interface. So this is necessary, yeah, and it will take a few moments. It's not a big time. So yeah, I think, yeah, I already inserted the SIM card, so it's not that much taking time. It's done. I'm a bit excited for the new devices, that iPhone XS and XS Plus, but what I can do is yeah, I can use this device, and yeah, definitely I will get it if there is a something new changes. Like there is iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, there is not a big or not that much changes on these devices. It's like that X and XS, it will be coming around, but when the device total design is changing, then that's a quite expectation, good expectation. And the notch of that XS is also getting smaller than iPhone X. That's a good improvement, but when some new comings is on designs is really cool. So if you have any questions or any query, you can directly commenting below, and you can ask me through the comments, and subscribe me for more video or new videos. And till then, stay happy and funky. Bye bye.